Since this is a virtual show, I thought I'd go a bit afield and enter my live steam locomotive in the show. This locomotive was finished 20 years ago and took me around 3 years to build. It is the reason I'm building engine models today and moved away from woodworking. It was sold to me by Gene Allen as castings and drawings and as a construction of the Allen 10-wheeler. The Allen 10-wheeler is an extremely popular live steam locomotive with, I'm sure, hundreds built. It's a variant of the Allen Mogul, another extremely popular live steam locomotive. The locomotive was built in 1/8 scale and is at the 7.5-inch track gauge. My mentor, Larry DeFore, TIG welded my boiler, and our local boil inspector always comments on the beautiful welds on my boiler, a tribute to Larry's abilities. The locomotive is pretty much stock Allen, but it did depart in the later stages of construction. I designed and fabricated my own side rods, smokebox and smokebox cover, and wooden cab. The locomotive is patterned after a photo of a 1906 Baldwin-built 10-wheeler. The locomotive is fired with coal and water is supplied to the boiler with 2 injectors and a water pump. The turn-of-the-century passenger cars were modeled using the coaches in the Pennsylvania Railroad Museum in Strasburg, Pennsylvania as a guide.